This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming documents, Aadhar and Ration card originals, and clear photocopies. Once done, decide whether to use the online portal or visit the public distribution office. I recommend online for speed. Make sure your mobile number is active with Aadhar to receive OTPs. Then open the state PDS portal or the central linking page and enter your 12-digit Aadhar and Ration card number. This first step registers your intent and triggers verification, so proceed carefully and double-check digits. Once you input details, the system needs verification. This is why accuracy matters. If online, you will get an OTP on the Aadhar-linked phone. Enter it promptly to authenticate. If at the PDS office, the attendant will perform biometric verification using your fingerprint or iris. Cooperate calmly to avoid retries. Make sure the household head name matches exactly as on records to prevent rejection. After successful verification, save the acknowledgement ID or receipt. It's your proof while the linking completes in the back end. To finish, check the linking status after 24 to 48 hours using the acknowledgement ID. The portal will show success or issues. If it's rejected, compare every field, name spellings, Aadhar digits, and family members, and correct errors before resubmitting or visiting the PDS office for assisted correction. If problems persist, contact the UADI helpline or your state PDS grievance cell with your receipt. They can escalate mismatches. One key tip: if OTPs fail, verify your mobile is Aadhar linked and request mobile updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.